Okay, and we're live. So welcome back, guys and girls. Welcome back to the White Sponge live stream. Okay, as usual, my name is David, and as usual, I'm your host. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Okay, so for today, we are going to start with the health part of the multiplayer. So that means your health bar. That also means really damaging other players and reducing their health. Okay, so that's what we are doing today. Okay. Okay, so first thing first, let's display the health bar on the multiplayer stage. Okay, so over here, okay, yeah, here. Okay, so in our multiplayer client script, okay, let me just do some neck stretching. Okay, mesh. Okay, what about stage? Yep. Okay, so this is for the first player. Okay, so we will load the HUD for the first player first. Okay, so over here, load the HUD, which will include the HP, MP, and XP bar. Okay, so HUD manager. Oh, okay, looks like we need to. Okay, looks like we will need to link to the HUD manager. Okay. So over here, above. Okay, over here we'll call the HUD manager to show HUD. Yep. Okay. Okay, and for now we'll make it such that you can start the match with just one player. So let's comment this. And this. Okay, and we'll have to remember to link our multiplayer client with our HUD manager. So drag and drop. Okay, so that should do it. Okay, so let's take a look at our HUD. Okay, and see whether it displays correctly at the top left corner. Okay, so now we are just running the game to test to see if okay, we'll get the HUD displayed correctly. Okay, on the top left corner. Okay. Oh, okay, give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, sorry about that. Okay, looks like we need to show the basic attack below the experience and health bar. Oh, and by the way, later there will be some cleaning up of the air conditioner system here in this room. So I might okay, let's see, what should we do? Okay, maybe I will turn off the mic for just a while. Okay, later maybe for a few minutes, around 10 minutes or so. Okay, but we'll still be live. So if you want to chat with me, yeah, just type on the TwitchTV chat and I will respond by typing back on the TwitchTV chat. Okay, so but for now, okay, let's go to the HUD manager and load HUD. Show HUD. Okay, so over here, okay, we will need to show the weapons. Okay, so we'll call this method as well, and that will be over here. Oh no, wait a second, that will be stage. Okay, over here. Yeah. Okay, looks like we are not able to connect to the chat. So, okay, if you have typed something onto the TwitchTV channel, and if I'm not responding to it, that's the reason why. Okay, so now we are doing the same thing where we will test to see if the HUD will load for our first player. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh. Okay, so over here, if HUD measure not equals to now. Okay, let me refresh. Because seems like we have an error. Okay, and let's see, over view bar. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so no more errors now, but the okay. Okay, we still do not have the okay, the icon that represents the basic attack. Okay, so let's figure out why that is not appearing. So display weapons. Player. Oh, okay. Okay, I guess it's because our player is not how should I put this? Not correctly defined. So it doesn't know which player we are referring to. Okay. So for that we need to Yeah, we can pass in the player here. Okay. Okay, but this means that we have to change a lot of things. Okay. Now over here we should get a lot of new errors. Okay, maybe just 4, not a lot. Okay, we have 3 more. So this. Okay, this. And this. Okay, oops. Okay, give me a. Okay, I will silence the mic now because they are coming in to maintain the. Okay, sorry about that. Looks like they'll be back later, I guess. Okay, player. Display. Okay, so let's see. Load character on stage. Okay, if that's the case, okay, we'll have to do this after our character is loaded. Okay. Okay. Okay, so remember that this is just for the first player. Okay. Okay, so once we get this working, we'll need to do the same thing for, well, not exactly the same thing, but almost the same thing for the other players in the room or in the match. Okay. Okay, so let's see if this works or not. Oh shit. Okay, we have to. Oh, damn it. Okay, we have an error here. Player dot. Secondary weapon. Oh, okay. I guess this means that we need to set the player as having a second dispel as none. Okay, so let's go to this definition over here. Let's see. Okay, load character on stage. Okay, or maybe we can take a look at the multiplayer character script. Okay, so this means that we need to call this method okay, we'll call it add let's see, where should we call it? Set, yeah, okay. So we'll just call multiplayer character dot set attack and spell synchro false. Okay, star weapon type dot none, comma false. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so load character on stage will initialize the character for us. Okay, which will set the basic attack and the spells. Okay, so let's try that again. And okay, before we do that, okay, since there was another error here. Oh. Okay, so it could be referring to the same issue or the same situation. Okay, yeah, so we finally have the selected icon here, and oh shit, Okay, so there's a bug with our okay, so it seems like there's a bug with the appearing of the characters. Oh, and by the way, I've added a new jumping animation, a really simple jumping animation. Okay. Okay, so right now we have a bug with the appearing on stage method. Okay, let's see. So over here, load character on stage. Okay, get random position above tile. So we have to modify this method. Okay. Oh. Hey, hi there, Stratosphere, and welcome back. Wow, it has been a while, man. How have you been? Okay, let's see. 0. Okay, appear on stage. Okay, so I'm just going to make some changes. Oh. Okay, I'll need to silence the mic now. Okay, looks like they'll be coming in and out, like many times. So I might be turning the mic off and on from time to time. Okay, unless you want to listen to the maintenance sound effects. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just going to make some changes to the random position. Rather the random starting position. Okay, for the multiplayer matches. Okay. Oh, hey, by the way, glad to hear that you're doing well. Did you enjoy your weekend? Okay, that'll be it. Oh, okay. So let's see. Upper config. Okay, so I'm gonna modify this method here. Okay. Oh, what kind of new comics did you brought? Oh, my weekend was awesome and quite chill as well because of the weather. Yeah, because of the rain and the cold weather. Okay, which makes the atmosphere feels like free air con. Okay, commented. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Okay, hopefully this will not affect the existing gameplay. Okay. 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 Oh, and by the way, I've added a new simple jumping animation. Okay, so is it? Whoa. Okay, that's a lot of new comics, man. Oh, I've heard of most of them except the Superior Spider-Man. Oh, okay. Okay. This reminds me. Okay, I've started using Nightbot recently. Okay, which helps with improving the channel. Yeah. Okay, so with Nightbot we can do things like custom commands or messages that will automatically be displayed at set intervals, and also spam protection as well. Okay. Okay, so now that we have loaded the HUD for the first player, okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the other 3 players. Okay, so over here, okay, we are going to go to our race or event race. Oh, damn it. Yep. Okay, so over here, load stage with info and load character on stage. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, we can put this. Oh, okay. Okay, so this will show the HUD for the other players. Okay, and now we will make sure to check if all of the players are ready before we start the match. Okay, so now we can build the game to test what happens when two players. Okay, in order to make sure that the HUD is loaded for all of the players in the match. Okay, so let me just build the game. Okay, we should not take long, I guess. Okay, by the way, right now the door to the room which I'm in is open. Okay, so you might hear more background noises. Okay, but hopefully the music that I'm playing and my voice is still louder than that. Okay, we're just waiting for Unity to finish up building the game, or what it says here, the player. Okay, so now we are going to start testing the multiplayer. Okay, so we will have the game running over here outside of Unity at the bottom right corner, and over here at the top left corner running within Unity itself. Ouch. Okay, so just to prevent the background music from overlapping, I'm just going to turn it off for now. Yeah, so you might be able to hear some background noises, but yeah, you should still be able to hear my voice better. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh, welcome back, Stratosphere. Are you using your phone to yeah, to look at TwitchTV? Okay, we'll need to rebuild the game here because I did not change the input settings. Okay, looks like the personnel for they are doing the maintenance is not coming back for a while. Okay, so I'm just going to close the door, so at least we can reduce the background noise. So be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Oh. Ah, okay. That's cool. Are you using the official TwitchTV app to do that? Oh, okay. I see, I see. So there's no other way to watch Twitch TV other than using the app. What about using the browser or the internet browser? Okay. Okay, so we have the level, the HP, the mana, and the basic attack all displayed at the top left corner. Oh, okay, that's cool. How big is a Chromebook exactly? Okay, will it be heavy? Okay. Okay, so now that we have the bars, the health, the mana, and the experience bar all displayed. Okay, next we are going to add the damaging of other players. Okay, and we have to synchronize the other players' health over the network. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, but before we can do that, we need to keep track of all of the characters. Oh, okay. I guess 11 inches is should be rather portable or mobile. Okay, mesh. Okay. Initialize with multiplayer here. Okay. Okay, we might need to create a new method here. Okay, just to keep track of the initialize character. Okay, public void synchronize. Okay, let's call this synchronize character objects. Okay. Oh damn, you have a... Yo, that's awesome, man. Okay, so I'll be right back because I'm running out of drinking water here. Okay, so just give me like a minute or so and I'll be right back. Oh, I'm back. Okay, with more plain water. Okay, so sorry about that. Yeah, and I'm back. So what I'm going to do today, or what we are going to do today, or now, is to make sure that all of the players and their clients keep track of each and every character objects, so that we can, so in doing so, we can allow you to damage other characters. Oh, hey, thanks, man. Okay, so if photon dot is mine, okay, so over here we'll add the multiplayer character dot player. Okay, we'll add it to okay, we'll add it to the multiplayer clients. Let's see. Okay, maybe we'll just pass in the username to add. Okay, and using this username, we'll know which new character object to add to the new array list, so we can keep track of that. Okay, but over here, okay, I'm going to add a new, okay, let's see, okay, I'll put this here, multiplayer client, okay, so over here, if we have not sort of got the multiplayer client yet, okay, we retrieve it from the registry. Okay. Okay, and let's go to our multiplayer client here to make sure that we save it in the registry. So let's go all the way to the top. Yeah, okay, we have it here. Okay, so over here, okay, we will do a quick count of the number of players in the room. So star gamers in room dot count, and we'll do a simple for loop here. Okay, so okay, star gamer this gamer equals to okay, so this gamer dot okay, so we'll check to see the username dot to upper equals to username to add dot to upper. Okay, so this means that we found the player for the username. Okay, then we will just set the character to this. Oh, okay, we can just use this. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so this will make sure that we have a list of player objects that we have linked to, so that every time you shoot an attack, we can check we can check through all of the characters and see where they are to see if the attack will hit them. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to call this synchronize method over here. Okay. Okay, so wait. Okay, so over here we'll just call your character dot synchronize character objects. Okay, maybe we should just call it synchronize character. Okay. Okay, and we will pass in the username, so that will be your username. Okay, so your username will be multiplayer scene manager dot stargamer dot username. Okay. Okay, synchronize and at each instantiated. Oh shit, how do I spell that? Let me just copy. And character or player object to the array list. Oh shit. Okay, to the star gamers in room array list on the multiplayer client. Okay, to keep track. Yeah. Okay, if you're... Wait, Wednesday? Oh, okay. That depends on which time zone you are referring to. Of course, if you are referring to the time zone that I'm using to that's displayed on the TwitchTV profile channel, on the channel profile, then it will be Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. But if you are referring to my time zone, then yes, I'm streaming on Wednesday. Yeah, so it depends on which time zone you're referring to. Okay, let me just build the game again. Oh, yeah, central. Okay, let me just do a quick time zone calculation because okay, I'm really bad with that. Okay, so Central Wednesday do GMT plus 8. Oh, okay. So if you are referring to Wednesday, oh, okay. 2 p.m. Wednesday, November 4, 2 p.m. 12 a.m. Okay, what if we... oh. Okay, so around here... oh, okay. Yeah, I might not be streaming. Okay, so according to this time zone converting table, okay, yeah. So usually I will stream around 11 a.m. Wednesday 11 a.m. GMT plus 8, and in Central that will be on Tuesdays. Yeah, that will be around 9 p.m. on Tuesdays, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so most likely I won't be streaming then, but okay, but I just want to say happy birthday to you in advance, and I wish you all the best in whatever you set out to do, and make sure you celebrate and enjoy yourself to the max. Oh, and I guess enjoy your Chromebook. Okay, so now we just need to test that this works. Then we can proceed to adding the damaging of other players part on this step, where you can damage other players, and that's quite important because that's how you can win matches. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Send next. Oh, okay, this I guess we can do yeah, okay. Okay, I guess we can ignore that. Okay. Okay, so notice that now when you attack another player, okay, the attacks just go right through them and nothing happens. Okay. So that's the next step where we will make your basic attack or attacks damage the other player. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so let's go to our attack script. Over here, let's see. Okay, this is rather long. Okay, but let's scroll all the way to the top. Okay, over here, let's see. Okay, so over here, okay, what we can do is okay, we have to modify this to cater for the multiplayer match. I'm not sure about C++, but in Unity I'm using C#. Okay, so with Unity and C#, you just need to okay, let me just make sure that I get your question correct. So are you asking about how to use different classes or objects in one script, or are you asking how to attach multiple scripts to a game object? Oh, okay. Okay, okay, so for the first question, so you just have to, okay, so that depends on what class or objects that you're trying to use. Okay, so sometimes you might need to use something that is already provided by Unity or the C# framework. Okay, so that's when you need to, okay, over here you need to use the using keywords. Okay, using, okay, maybe Unity editor dot, I don't know, maybe you need something related to events. Okay, okay, that's when the compiler will know that you need something from here, this library, and you can just yeah, you can then use things from here. Okay, so that's one way. Another way is to of course inherit from another object over here. Yeah, and another way is to declare it over here so that you can use it in the script below. Okay. Okay, as for the second question, you can attach multiple scripts to any game object in Unity just by adding a component to it. Okay, so for example, okay, say if this is my player object. Okay. Okay, so here we can just add component, or rather click on the add component button, and we can type in the name of a script that we want to add. Say maybe self-destroying object. Okay, just as an example. Okay, so that's one script, and if we want to add another script besides using the add component button here, we can also just drag and drop. Okay, so that's two scripts to one game object. Of course, you can drag and drop or add as many scripts as you want. But just in case you get too many scripts attached to one game object, sometimes you have to consider what effects each script have on the other. Yeah. Okay, so I hope that that was helpful. Okay, so over here I'm going to modify this. Okay, so if for multiplayer, or maybe if not for multiplayer, okay, then else. Okay, so this is if this attack was created. Oh, hey, welcome. For multiplayer, okay, for the multiplayer match, else. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to select this whole portion here and move it in, or rather indenting it once. Okay. Yeah, I do know that it's kind of messy, but as long as it works. Okay, so as you might have guessed, there's no pausing in multiplayer, which will not make sense. Okay, so we do not need to check for that. Okay, so over here, okay, we just need to check for this hi there clones, and welcome back. It has been a while since I last saw you here, so how have you been? Hey, if you are ready to get paid in smiles, then sure. Okay. Oh, that's a good question. You can turn smiles in essentially anywhere. So you get a smile for a smile. Okay, every time you smile at someone. So essentially you can turn a smile in everywhere. Okay, go through all the Okay, I'm not sure when that day will come, but I do hope that you have enough patience for that day to come. Okay, so if okay, enemy bounce. Okay, that would be dot player character dot get component render dot bounce. Yep. Okay, so if hits another character or another player's character, okay, so this is where we will do the maybe if you are using fireball. Okay, this is when we do the animation for when the fireball hits anything. Okay, that burning animation, and we also reduce the health on the other player's character. So what we're doing now is really important because it's the foundation for which you'll be able to attack other players, which will determine the outcome of the match, so either a defeat or a victory, and how many players you have defeated. Okay, so okay, let's see, sound effect, no. Okay, we'll do a hit effect here. Okay, here. Okay, so player, enemy player equals to player character. So enemy player okay, we can remove this. This will be enemy player. Okay. Okay, we also need to destroy the okay, attack enemy. Okay, we need to call this method, which will destroy our attack or flying projectile. Oh, okay. Let's see. Wow, okay, this is rather long. Okay, there are many ways we can go about doing this. We can modify this method and make it cater for multiplayer situations, or you can just create a multiplayer version of this, which is not that it's faster, but it's not a smart way to do it. Okay. But okay, it might be safer for us to create a multiplayer version of this in order to not affect the existing story modes. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Oh. Okay, okay, by the way, I'll be announcing the official date for the Steam Greenlight and the Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign. The date for when both of them will go live, and that is actually, yeah, I'll be announcing that tomorrow. And okay, it's actually a month from now, on 1st December. Okay, so okay, when that happens, okay, the price of Stellar Stars will go back to around $13. Okay, and that's because of the rewards in the crowdfunding campaign. So essentially, this is the last month where Stellar Stars is still selling for under $5. Okay, so just to let you know, okay, so we are going to create a, okay, we could call it a duplicate method here, but okay, attack player. Okay, I'm going to call it attack player, okay, player or enemy player. Oh, okay, and we also have to make sure that okay, we are not attacking ourselves. So enemy player, if defending, oh, okay, if invincible. Okay. Okay, enemy player. Okay, enemy player. Okay, so we have a lot of things to change here, player, enemy to destroy equals to enemy player. So now the enemy, okay, is other players. Okay, enemy player. Okay. If else, oh, okay. The good thing here is that we can remove a lot of the enemy AI. Okay, which we will not need for multiplayer. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, enemy player. Attack power. Okay. So instead of doing this, I'll do enemy player dot take damage. Attack power, comma, if from right. Okay. Okay, we'll put this above. Okay, and we can remove this portion as well. Oops. Okay, so good thing about multiplayer is that we do not need to cater for any AI. Okay, if right is true. Okay, for now we will not okay, since we haven't decided on the death animation yet, okay, for players in the multiplayer match, okay, we will not do that yet for now. Okay. Take damage. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have to create a new method here that will call take damage, so that we can synchronize the taking of damage across all of the players. Okay, so over here, okay, region, multiplayer, health, and mana. Okay, public void take damage synchro. Okay, so we are passing the same variables here. So if towards left, okay, so what this does is that it will make a player take damage, and it will also make the same player take damage on the other player's clients. So that will essentially synchronize it. Okay, so we have to put this PUN RPC in order for the game and the server to call this method across all players. Okay, so locally we'll just take damage if towards left. Okay, if photon view dot is mine. Okay, but okay, but over the network we have to okay, where is that? Okay, maybe not here, but okay, I'm just finding this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so over here, oh damn, yeah. Okay, we'll call photon. Okay, the photon servers do call this method on the other clients. Okay, so that should damage the same character by the same amount. Okay. But of course we have to test it. So, oh, okay. Sorry about that. We need end region here. Yep. Oh. Hey, hi there, Hero Moon 656. Welcome back. How's your weekend? Okay, let's see. We have an error where we have to fix here. Yeah. This will be attack player. Okay. Okay, so let's test it now. Okay, but before we do that, we have to build it. Okay, let me just make sure that okay, we have the right code here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to build it. Okay, and let's see if we can damage the other player by just shooting our basic attack. Okay, so if it works, we'll see the health bar of the other character decreasing. Okay, to indicate the damage taken. Okay. Okay, so we'll start the game here first. Okay, outside of Unity. Okay, and over here, okay, we'll start the game from within Unity. Okay, as the second player. Hey, how's your weekend, Hiromu? Okay, so we'll join the room here. Okay, and let's change it to say eating, so we have more health. Oh, that's awesome, man. By the way, I've added a simple jumping animation, a new and simple jumping animation, which is a simple rotating animation. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, that's possible. Maybe not. Yeah. Okay. It's definitely possible, but it's not one of the. If I were to add it to one of the features of Stars, it won't be on the top of the priority. Okay, so now I'm just going to test what happens when I attack the other player. Ah. Oh, okay. So the damaging works, but there was no animation of the character getting hit. Okay. So notice that when I attack from my first player. Oh, wait a second. Oh. Okay, we have a bug here. Okay, so we are not supposed to. Okay, so notice that we have a funny bug here where we are damaging ourselves because we forgot to check. Okay, we forgot to check to see if there was a funny bug because we need to make sure that we do not attack ourselves. So that was what was happening, where Beat was attacking himself. So that was quite funny. Okay, so over here we just need to do a simple check. So if asgamer.username not equals to so this is to make sure that we are checking only against the other 2 to 3 players. Okay. Okay, and we will break out of this loop as well. So I equals to p count. Okay, so this should break out of the loop. Okay, if not local player, okay, that is self. Yep. Okay, so let's build this again. Okay, hopefully this time it will work. Okay, but I'll give it 50-50. Oh, and we also need to. Oh wait. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's see what happens when we test it. Okay. Okay, let me close this. Okay, let's start the game here. By the way, just focus on what's happening on the screen and ignore what I'm doing. Holy shit. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm just grabbing some bananas. Okay, white room. Okay, over here. We'll start the game here. Okay, so just focus on the screen and ignore what I'm doing with my mouth, okay? White room. Okay, we'll change it to eating and we'll start the game here and here. Okay. Okay, so if I attack eating now, oh damn it. Ah, interesting. Okay, looks like it's not working. Oh! Oh my god. Okay, and the reason why it's not working is because we did not call the method that will synchronize the taking off damage. Okay, so it's funny how I created the method but I did not call it. Okay. So let's go to attack player. Yep. Okay, so over here, yeah, instead of calling, okay, instead of calling enemy player dot take damage, okay, we have to change it to take damage sync. Okay. Yeah, so that should fix our bug. Okay, so let's try this again by building it. Build settings, build. Holy shit. Whoa, okay. Okay, that was dangerous. Okay, so let's start the game here. Okay, and let's move it down. Whoa. Okay. Okay, and we'll start the game here from Unity. Oh, okay. That was the night bot with the scheduled message. So I'm still experimenting with Nightbot. Okay. Please focus on what's happening on the screen and not on what I'm eating. I'm just eating a banana as fruits before my actual meal. So usually I will grab some fruits before lunch or dinner. Oh, damn it. Okay. Okay, looks like it's still not working. Okay, so this can only mean one thing, and that is okay, we were not able to get this character, and that's why the attacks could not detect that it was going through it. Okay, so that is a bug. Okay, but as you can see, that's the next important step that we have to take, and that's what we have to add for status stars. And okay, so I'll be stopping the live stream here, but look out for the announcement tomorrow, the important announcement tomorrow about Steam Greenlight and Indiegogo. And of course, the new patch that will include what we are doing today, and that is to allow you to attack other players. Yeah. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's live stream, and if you want to watch the entire live stream or the beginning half of it, I'll be putting this session onto YouTube as well. Yeah. So have a great day and an awesome week ahead, and see you guys tomorrow. See ya. Bye bye.